Welcome back, health-conscious viewers, to another enlightening episode of Health Matters. Today, we're delving deep into a topic that affects millions of us, the dangers of sugary drinks. Buckle up, as we uncover the shocking truths behind those seemingly innocent sips that could be wreaking havoc on your health and waistline. We're all familiar with the allure of sugary beverages. From effervescent colas to enticing fruit-infused concoctions, they've become an integral part of our modern lifestyle. Yet, concealed beneath their sugary veneer lies an intricate web of consequences that can no longer be brushed aside. Let's initiate our exploration with facts that demand your attention. Did you fathom that a mere can of soda can harbor up to 10 teaspoons of sugar? Surpassing the recommended daily sugar limit set by health experts. Now, envisage downing multiple cans in a single day, a potentially catastrophic formula. But why should this be a cause for your concern? Sugar isn't just a silent saboteur of your physique. It's a prime instigator of a myriad of health ailments. Extensive research has firmly connected excessive sugar intake to obesity, which in itself unlocks the gateway to a constellation of further health afflictions. Think type 2 diabetes, heart diseases, and even the lurking specter of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. It's akin to a time bomb camouflaged within the label of your preferred drink. When you partake in sugary drinks, you're essentially flooding your body with a surge of glucose. This abrupt surge triggers your pancreas into a frenzied release of insulin, potentially laying the foundation for insulin resistance, a pivotal factor in the development of diabetes. Now, let's delve into the realm of weight gain. The vacant calories within sugary drinks don't satiate your appetite, they silently accumulate, contributing to the excess pounds that often go unnoticed. Research has unequivocally demonstrated that individuals who incorporate sugary drinks into their routine are more prone to succumb to the clutches of obesity. So, where does this leave you? The remedy is refreshingly simple. Opt for nourishing alternatives such as pure water, herbal infusions, or freshly pressed juices. By embracing these choices, you gift your body hydration and vital nutrients while evading the avalanche of excessive sugars. Remember, the smallest adjustments in your daily regimen can wield monumental repercussions for your holistic health. A reduction in sugary drink consumption translates into a bold stride towards a future that's not only healthier but also more joyful. Here's to your well-being, a toast raised to a glass brimming with nature's bountiful goodness. Stay enlightened, stay empowered, and, as always, remain committed to your well-being until our paths converge again. This is Health Matters, bidding you adieu. If the insights shared have resonated with you, don't forget to show your appreciation by hitting the like button, sharing this knowledge nugget with your peers, and subscribing for an array of thought-provoking content. Your engagement fuels our mission. Thank you for being a part of this enlightening journey.